Good morning, it's Alison here from Crafts Designs. This morning I'm going to show you how to do a standing double crochet. First of all, pop a slip knot onto your hook. And then keeping that stitch steady, place the hook into your stitch, pull a loop through, wrap round and slide both stitches off the hook. So there we have a standing double crochet. I shall do that again. Wrap round, make your slip knot, place it on the hook, keep it steady, place your hook into a stitch, pull the loop through, wrap round and slide both stitches off the hook. There we are. I hope you enjoy using this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.